Hey everybody, welcome to week 10. We are in double digits for the semester. So let's get started and see what we've got going on this week. The first thing is I hope that you have already printed your course schedule. On Monday, I want to talk to you about that in a minute. We do have a special week on Monday and Tuesday during our first classes. We will be having a librarian join us to talk about how to evaluate sources, which is a big assignment for the week. So please make sure that you come to class on Monday and Tuesday to get that information. You should have a email saying the exact same thing. So I hope that you all show up. Last week, a lot of people missed class both days, so I'm expecting everybody to show up on Monday and Tuesday and on Wednesday and Thursday, because Wednesday and Thursday we're going to be doing some peer review and we will be talking more in depth about your paper, which we are going to start diving into this week. As you can see, I have the rhetorical situation thing here. I want you to be thinking about the rhetorical situation. It's also on page 35 of your book, because you're going to be writing a letter to me this week regarding the rhetorical situation of your argument. So here are your prompts for daily writing this week. You are going to write about a time where you convinced someone of something. So you're going to have to think back, when did you convince somebody of something, and what words or actions did you use to win them over? Remember, that is what our whole push is for this assignment, is the art of persuasion, finding common ground and figuring out how to win people over using ethos, and trying to have people trust you as an author, and so they will want to come on over to your side. So that's the first thing you're going to be writing about. And then last week you did a lot of brainstorming. You brainstormed a list of possible topics for your argument. Choose the top 3 and free write for each. Now this is a little bit squidgy because you're going to have to write a letter to me, and that's due on Tuesday. So you might want to just do a couple quickly on Monday. I don't know. But try and figure out what you want to write about in your argument paper, because you're going to have to choose your topic this week. The other thing, of course, is a choice. So you get to choose whatever you want to write about, okay? All right, so here we go on Monday. This is going to be your assignment for the week. Why should I trust this? It's about understanding sources. Now, again, I'm going to just remind you that we have a librarian joining us in our first class this week on Monday and Tuesday. So you're not going to be able to start this if you are a Tuesday person, Thursday person. You're not going to be able to start this until Tuesday, because you're going to want to hear what the librarian has to say. But lucky for you, there are 2 other things that you can do on Monday. One is a voice thread on quoting, using other people's voices in your writing. We did paraphrasing, we did summarizing, and now we're going to do quoting. And these are how to integrate other people's voices in your writing. So there's 3 different ways of doing that. So quoting is our last one. There's lots of information in this. If you have questions, please email me, or let's talk on Zoom, because this is an important skill for you to understand. The other thing is you're going to write a letter of intent of what you are going to choose for your topic for your argument paper. Okay? And that is going to be in an assignment folder. The directions are on the assignment folder for that, in Monday's folder. Okay? So then Tuesday, the only thing you have on Tuesday is a reflection. Of course you have your daily writing, every day. Just a little reminder. But on Tuesday, you have figure 8.5 by Penny Kittle, and here's Penny right here. And you're going to read her argument, and you're going to do the reflection. So you'll have your reaction reflection, and then you're going to do your reading like a writer reflection, and then you're going to do an argument analysis on this. So those 3 things, just like we've been doing every week. So that's your Tuesday assignment. Wednesday, you have a couple pages to read in the writer's practice using sources, and then there's going to be a quiz on those pages. And then of course you're going to go read one of the powerful arguments that have been posted in the discussion board and read like a writer for that. That's your Wednesday. And of course on Wednesday, if you're a Monday-Wednesday person, you're going to have a draft of this assignment, Why Should I Trust This, ready to go on Wednesday at 8 o'clock, because then you're going to be ready for your peer review on Wednesday during class. So just remember that you're working on that all the way this week, all the time, right? And then on Thursday in class, if you're a Tuesday-Thursday person, you'll have your peer review, and then you're going to work on polishing and publishing this to the assignment folder. So that is your Thursday. And then of course Friday, you just have to do your daily writing. So I have a little amendment on our daily writing. Here are the prompts, and again it says choose your top 3 in free write. That might not work if you have to have your topic chosen before 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. So maybe you just have some more choices, or maybe you start free writing on topics that you're going to cover in your argument. So those are some, just treat them as free writing for your argument paper, okay? So there you have it. That is our week together. Be sure to show up to class this week so we can talk about sources, and that will help you with your argument ultimately. And I look forward to seeing you there. Have a good week.